Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're excited to introduce you to a part of the Signature Solar family that makes us uniquely customer-centric. Let's meet some of the Signature Solar design team and find out how they turn dreams into reality. Hey Brandy, when you first walk into our design center, Brandy might be one of the first people you will meet. At Signature Solar, a seamless customer journey is what we strive for. That's why each member of our design team is prepared to help you get started on your unique solar journey, from initial consultation through finalized quote preparations.
My role on the design team is design coordinator. The way that I feel like that I match a customer and a designer would be personality. We want to create a relationship in the design center. So in order to do that, I have to make sure that personalities match. When I'm talking to a customer, I'm immediately thinking about which designer to pair them with. And when you work with these designers, you learn their personalities, and each and every one of them has so many unique and fun traits about them that it's easy to match them personality to personality with a great customer. Also, they have specific talents. While each and every one of them are extensively trained on each system, they each have their own kind of niche, so to say, their specialty, something that they're more comfortable with or that they've worked with more, which gives them the ability to tailor that system a little more specifically than they might be able to do a different kind of system. So I try to take into consideration the customer's personality and their system needs while I match one to the other. When a customer calls in, I generally tell them, when you work with a design team, you're getting not only the service that you expect from Signature Solar, but you're getting a relationship with each one of us. We do have walk-ins. The design center has just recently become open to the public, but now you can actually call in and press number 6 and you'll get the design line. So from there, I take the first bit of information from you. I like to know what area you live in, because we use that to calculate peak sun hours, the best placement for you for your solar panels. Then I need to know, have you looked at any products? Are you interested in anything specific? Then we go from that to, what's your timeline? Are you looking to purchase and install your system within the next week, the next month, next year? That just helps us with product availability and knowing where you're at in your solar journey. Also, we talk about your budget needs, because in the design center, we want to make sure that we don't exceed your budget. If you tell us, hey, I need to stay within these confines, we will give you what we can in those confines, and if that doesn't work, we'll ask you to either adjust your goals or adjust your budget, and whichever you choose to do, we will make it work for you.
Now that you've seen the authentic design process in action, let's meet Kendall, one of our skilled design team members who plays a key role in bringing these custom solar solutions to life. Kendall works closely with customers to understand their unique needs, answer their questions, and design systems that are both efficient and tailored to their goals.
Hi, my name's Kendall. I am on the design team here at Signature Solar. A typical day in design typically consists of new inquiries on the design form. We do have walk-ins come in, scheduled drop-in, whichever you prefer. I'll be the main point of contact for that. So if you come in and you're seeking a system design or assistance with designing your system, I'll be your girl. We do have a design showroom that we can walk through, and then we can collaborate in my office to go over your specific goals and needs. We have a store that we can walk over to and see any parts that we sell online. Those are available to pick up, touch, feel, see how large a solar panel actually is, because some people just don't know. Aside from walk-ins, we do have a design form. We just opened a design call queue. We have a design coordinator that can then put you with the correct designer. We all have our different strengths, and so our coordinator is really good at putting the person with somebody that would help best with them. Once we've gathered information, we can start the design process. Typically, we'll do a preliminary and say, hey, this is what I think would work best for your goals. We can make adjustments, change our mind, change the panel placement, change whatever we want to do. After that, once we've decided this is what I want, then I can help you, or any of my teammates can assist you throughout the rest of the process. From purchasing the system, we can stay in touch with you until it's delivered to your door. After that, we have a technical support team here again to assist the customer in installation and things like that. We're here to help you along the way. We're here to provide a service, a complete service, whether that be in person, on the phone, via email, whatever works best for the customer. That's what sets us apart. I had a guy send me pictures of his completed build and tell me how pleased he was the other day, and that gives me a sense of pride because I built that relationship, we built that trust together, and he completed his goals through Signature Solar. If I were to give any advice to somebody that wanted to come visit the facility and get a system design and work with one of our designers, my best guidance would be prepared. Know your budget, know your goals, whether that be you want to obtain an off-grid scenario, offset your energy, what have you. The more information you bring, the better the end goal or the end result will be. Something to prepare yourself would be having an energy bill. Typically, most energy bills come with a graph that shows 12 months of usage. That is icing on the cake. I can use that. If you're building a new house, do we know what's going in the house? Because I'll need to know that. So if you're building a new house and you want to get the planning stage taken care of, kind of get a budget in mind, things like that, if you could bring or be prepared with a list of loads that will need to be powered, that's a great place to start.
We make it easy to get started with our design team. One great way is by visiting our design center where you can explore up-to-date systems, see solar panel mounts, batteries, and other components firsthand, and discuss your goals with one of our experts. Our design team will ensure your system components work seamlessly together, provide a tailored quote that fits your needs and budget, and if you're ready, help you place an order right away. But that's not the only way. You can also start your solar journey online by filling out our design request form. Let's jump on our website at signaturesolar.com and take a look. We're here on our website at signaturesolar.com. We have a tab called Design Your System, and it's going to tell you a little bit about our design team. If you click Contact Design, it's going to take you to the design request form. It's going to tell you how our design team works, what the process is, what you will get as you go through the process, how our specialized software works, and that they can even give you an energy savings estimate. If you're ready to start your project, this will take you to the design request form, which we'll do in just a moment. Show you some of our featured projects of some designs that our team has been involved in and what some of our customers are saying about our design service. So let's go ahead and start our project. Now, we do need to gather some information, and we just ask that you be as complete and accurate as possible. You do need to be thinking about the goals for your system and what your budget is that you've set aside for your system. And we do need your address because it will help our design team make the necessary calculations, such as peak sun hours and any shading issues that may need to be taken into account when completing the calculations in order to size your system appropriately. So let's say I want to take my house off grid. I've set a budget of, let's say, $20,000, and I'll put in my address. When we click next, this next page may be a little different based on what I've selected, but again, just try to be as accurate as possible with whatever questions you are being asked. We're going to be asked to add the appliances that we want to support with this system, and so let's say washing machine, it's going to give you some watts that washing machines generally average. If you know yours, go ahead and change that if that's not accurate, and how many hours per day you typically run yours. If you only run yours on Saturday and you do laundry all day long, let's go ahead and say we use it 8 hours on Saturday. And let's add an appliance, and let's say we run our refrigerator all day, every day. It's going to go ahead and do that for you. Now, then it's going to ask, each appliance demands power in kilowatts, and we need this to accurately size your system. This is going to be found on your power bill, and so we will need to list this by product. So we'll add this to the list. Let's just go ahead and arbitrarily put in some numbers for now. And then I want to mount my panels on my roof, or I don't want solar panels. Go ahead and choose what's accurate for you. Now, when we click next here on this one, It's going to ask for your information, your contact information. This is here so that our design team can reach out to you for your initial consultation so that they can design the system that's just right for your needs, and that's it. Then you can see that this is the information that they will be looking at, and if there was something that you just weren't sure how to answer, they are there to guide you through the rest. And it's that easy. You've already met some of our incredible design team members, and now we'd like to introduce you to Keith. Keith is one of the experts who might receive your design request and guide you through the next steps of your solar journey.
My name's Keith. I am a designer here at Signature Solar. I assist customers in designing and customizing personalized equipment for their home to meet their needs for off-grid, grid-tied, or any other solar needs that they may come across that they're going to want to do in the future. We really try to make this a one-on-one customer designer experience. I feel like that aspect of it is going to make the customer a little bit more comfortable about spending the amount of money that this equipment can cost. So this is what the view looks like. We can rotate this 2D, 3D, and we will map this roof out real quick. And we can add microinverters, we can add DC optimizers and get a graph and show what our estimated production should be based on the months and based off of the preloaded LiDAR data and SunPath data that is in this program. So we have a 5.81 kilowatt array, and it shows our annual production is going to be about 8.13 kilowatt hours. We can go in and add our electric bill, and then we can see an energy offset percentage here, and we can see what our bill savings projected is going to be, what the electric company is charging, and what the increase is year over year for that electrical provider. You're always going to have that one-off situation that nobody in the design department's ever came across before. And having a team like that that's willing to work with you and stop what they're doing and help you, it's just an amazing feeling. And to be a part of a team like this is really good. Give us a reach out, try us out. Let's go through the process with you. Let's give you that one-on-one customer experience, and it's going to be a win for everybody.
Filling out the online form can feel a bit overwhelming at times, and that's okay. Don't worry, we simply ask that you provide as much information as you can, and our team will guide you through the rest during your follow-up call.
Let's talk about what kind of system you're interested in. Are we talking about like an off-grid system, grid-tied, hybrid, a mobile system? You're not really sure? Okay, and if you're not sure, that's fine. Your designer, you can tell them exactly what your goals are, and they will suggest one or more types of systems for you.
But it doesn't stop there. Overseeing the team and ensuring they work seamlessly together is our design team manager, Landon. Landon helps coordinate the efforts of the team, ensuring every design is created with precision, care, and collaboration. Let's meet Landon to learn more about how the team works together to bring your solar projects to life.
What makes Signature Solar's design team and service unique is the fact that it's completely free and it will always be free. We really believe that solar is for everyone, and we want to make sure that we can provide that service to customers without a paywall. What our mission really encompasses is taking people through the entire process of interest in solar to understanding what equipment they really need to accomplish their goals, and then seeing that through all the way to purchase and installation and providing support along the way. A lot of the benefit that the team offers to customers is instilling that confidence within the individual to accomplish their installation on their own instead of contracting out installers, so that we know that customers are buying equipment that they understand and they know how to install and they know is going to actually fit their needs.
So what sets Signature Solar's design team apart? It's our all-in-one customer-centric approach. If you are not sure where to start, our design team can help you figure it out, combining their knowledge with your needs as a special service to you, our customers. Each customer is paired with individual specialists to meet their specific needs. You're not just another project. We provide tailored solutions based on real data and your specific needs, including system sizing calculations and suggestions on how you may want to expand later on. And it all starts with just a simple click on our website or by walking through the doors of our design center. And that wraps it up. When you choose Signature Solar, you're not just investing in solar technology, you're gaining a trusted partner to guide you from start to finish. Visit signaturesolar.com and click Contact Us to start your custom solar adventure. Our design team is ready to help you turn your solar aspirations into reality, empowering you to own your own power.